So we have the Olympian, the legend, and inspiration to a lot of junior golfers, Udayan Mane. How are you, brother?
I'm fine, Anup. Thank you
And-
for introducing me with such kind words.
No, you deserve those words actually, and I think more than that, more than a golfer, you are a good human being as well.
Thank you.
So, I think we had a small conversation yesterday regarding your putting,
Yeah.
and we shared some tips. I gave you a little bit of insights. I think, did it work for you yesterday?
Yeah, I did. And the main tip was that, my right arm shouldn't be internally rotated, which helps, when it promotes the closing of the face. So that's why I was missing a lot of my starting lines. And the moment we started getting my right arm a lot more externally rotated and then gripping the putter, the face stayed a lot more stable. So thank you very much, Anup, for pointing that out.
Anytime, brother. And as yesterday, it was a lot of money shots which you had hit.
Yeah.
Today as well, there will be a lot of buddies, Mane.
Yes, absolutely.
You are the one.
Thank you.
Be the one. Come on, IGPL. So guys, rain is playing a little spoil sport. It's raining cat and dog. Shavana, bad news?
Yes.
The rain should
Suspended.
suspended. Hey God, I'm going to ring you up. Please start the game very soon. So guys, we have Surajit Das ji with me, who is a F&B supervisor, and कुछ आज नया टेस्ट करने को मिला है, and it's speciality of Calcutta. It's a kind of paneer sabji, but all together it tastes different and it's amazing to eat. इसको क्या बोलते हैं जी?
छेना
तो आप अगर फ्रेम में देख पा रहे
छेना
हैं
का कोफ्ता
तो दिस इज
कोफ्ता है,
हाँ जी,
छेना है,
हाँ जी,
थोड़ा मैदा है
ओके,
और इलाज है।
अच्छा,
ये तो बना बना हो गया।
हाँ जी,
हाँ, उसके बाद ये काजू बादाम,
ओके,
ऑनियन, गार्लिक,
yes,
पेस्ट,
yes.
काजू बादाम ऐसा
बहुत बढ़िया।
ये भी है।
तो ये आप मेरे को भी बताना रेसिपी क्या है इसकी, मैं भी घर पे बनवाऊंगा या कुछ खुद कोशिश करूंगा। खूब भालो।
थैंक यू सर।
बड़ी आई हैव कम टू टेक सम ड्रिंक्स, फीलिंग वेरी थर्स्टी। ये संजय जी हैं जो डाइट कोक विद आइस प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं। कैसे हैं संजय जी?
अच्छा हूँ सर,
खूब भालो।
खूब ভালো। আপনাদের কলকাতা কেমন লাগছে স্যার?
बहुत बढ़िया जी। आज मैं जा रहा हूँ धर्मताला एस्प्लेनेड और हावड़ा ब्रिज।
अच्छा सर,
थोड़ा घूम के आते हैं, देखते हैं क्या क्या कलकत्ता में।
आप कलकत्ता घूमिए, हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे हम लोग का आनंद, कलकत्ता से बहुत सारे आनंद और बधाई मिलेगा।
थैंक यू जी। कल आपसे फिर मुलाकात करते हैं।
हाँ जरूर, फिर मुलाकात होगा सर जी।
डन।
डन सर।
think it's time to go around in the city. If you are ever coming down to Kolkata, maybe these are the places to visit. Let's hear from the localites. We have Mr. Devashish and Mr. Gautam. So मैं इनको फ्रेम में ला रहा हूँ। हाय सर, कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक हो।
सो आपसे सर मैं थोड़ा समझना चाह रहा था कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ जा सकता हूँ अभी घूमने के लिए, थोड़ा खा पी सकें यहाँ पे।
कलकत्ता में कोलकाता बेस्ट सिटी धर्मतला जा सकते हैं आप।
अच्छा जी।
और उधर घूमने का बहुत जगह है, और विक्टोरिया है, जादूगर है, और नेशनल लाइब्रेरी है।
तो ये सब धर्मताला में
हाँ,
पड़ेगा
सब
जी?
धर्मतला में पड़ेगा।
और जो रसगुल्ला है वो केसी दास का बताते हैं बहुत अच्छा है।
केसी दास रसगोल्ला খুবই বিখ্যাত কলকাতা। আর আরেকটা আছে হচ্ছে ভবানীপুরে বলরাম মল্লিক, ওখানেরও মিষ্টি খুব বিখ্যাত।
तो ये थोड़ा सा बंगाली बोल रहे थे तो मैं थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं पाया हूँ। तो मेरे ख्याल से आप जो भी कह रहे हैं अच्छी जगह बता रहे हैं मेरे को। और मेरे को एक दो शब्द आते हैं जो जैसे खूब भालो, तो मेरे ख्याल से खूब भालो मतलब ये बहुत बढ़िया हूँ। अच्छा जी। देखिए मुझे भी थोड़ी बहुत बंगाली आती है, बट आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा और अब यहाँ से मेरा सफ़र शुरू होगा। So guys, it's conclusion of day 2 IGPL Kolkata Invitational. Aman Raj is leading with 12 under, and at second is Veer Ganpati at -9, followed by Alap and Arya Rupanand at -6. It's time to go a little bit around the city and let's show you around what are the places you can visit when you are coming to Kolkata. So let's hear from Gaurav sir.
This is a famous skywalk, Kali temple, recently built by the government of West Bengal,
Okay.
and this is the most sacred place in Bengal.
Is it the place called Kali Ghat?
Yes, this is Kali, famous Kali temple. Very
So-
ancient old Kali temple. You can see the skywalk.
Okay. Skywalk is like you can go on top and
Yeah, and
Do the-
straight away you just reach the main shrine of Ma Kali.
okay. That's nice, and I think that's the road underneath the temple.
Yeah, yeah.
I think if you are ever coming down to Kolkata, definitely it's place to come and do some prayers, worship. We are heading towards Howrah Bridge, and in front of us there is a iconic yellow ambassador, very well known and only of its kind, which you will find to see in Calcutta. And if you ever coming, definitely you should have a ride of it. What do you think, Gaurav sir? What's your insight?
This is basically, the yellow taxi always is there in Calcutta. So now slowly it's been diminishing because of other Uber's car has come.
Yeah.
But this is iconic yellow taxi of Calcutta.
So I think you need to visit Calcutta very soon before they get extinct, and definitely have a ride of it.
And we have the ambassador has a factory here just outside Calcutta.
Really?
Yeah, that's the reason.
Okay. So very great insight we have got that even there is a factory very close to the main city, and they primarily were manufactured here, and the journey is on. And if you see, it's the peak time, but definitely not that much of traffic, and we are heading towards Howrah and then more places.
We'll go to Eden Garden, we'll go to Victoria Memorial, we'll go to Park Street, because these are the iconic places of Calcutta, and one should visit when you are in Calcutta, the city of joy.
Perfect.
We both are driving from Darjeeling Club. Now you can see in front of me is a Exide mode. We call it Exide mode. It's
Okay.
a AJC Bose flyover, and this is a famous place in Calcutta where, and if you see on the both side is the Rabindra Southern Metro Station, and if you see behind it Exide
Yeah.
is a top high-rise building that is
Yeah.
called the 42.
That's like a skyscraper.
Yeah, skyscraper.
So that's the feel of Dubai in Calcutta.
Yes, you can go.
So
This was recently built, I think 2018 or 19.
okay.
It was constructed. This is it's a high-rise building.
And I think if you're coming to Calcutta, you have everything to see in the world. You got skyscrapers, you got temples, you got historical places, and more to come. But I would say if you come to Calcutta, at least a week is more than enough. What do you think, sir, to go
Yeah.
around the city?
Yeah, you need a week. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Because there are many temples here in Dakshineshwar temple, Kali temple,
okay.
and the other places. If you want to come, if you want to go to Sundarbans also, that is the biggest delta in the world. That is also a place to visit. You can see that Sundarban,
Okay.
Bengal tigers there.
Perfect. So
Now we have reached Queen Victoria Memorial. On your left, I don't know why they have not switched on the light today. You can see in front of me is Fort William. So now recently the government of India has changed the name of Fort William to Vijayadurg.
So that's the army cantonment, I believe so.
Yeah, this is the army place, head of Eastern Command.
Okay.
So this is the Eastern Command is headed by Army Commander of Eastern
So
India.
I think my junior days memories are back. When I was here for a All India Junior Championship, I was staying in a mess inside the Fort William.
Yeah, and we have a 9-hole golf course also
course,
inside.
yes.
We have
Yeah,
9-hole
right.
golf course inside. Now on your left is a Fort William 9-hole golf course. I'll just take you the main entrance of Fort William, Vijayadurg.
So that's the Vijay Dwar of Fort William.
On your left side is Mohammedan Sporting Ground. You'll have a East Bengal ground. You have a Mohun Bagan ground.
Wow. So all the
So you can see up. You
football.
Can see the lighting.
Okay. So now
This is Red Road. We call it Red Road.
so this wonderful lit poles with beautiful lights fluttering around, and what a driveway. The road is superb, and
Here we have Republic Day Parade.
okay.
This is a place like in Delhi, Vijaypath.
Yes.
This is our Red Road.
So that day it is closed. For
Yeah,
the
it's,
normal traffic.
it's closed. And after the Durga Puja, when all the Durga idols comes,
Yeah.
so we have an exhibition here. We have a road show here. So now we are heading towards the Eden Garden, the cricket ground,
Okay.
Pride of Bengal.
On my left, I'll just zoom in and show you guys. That's the popular cricket ground by the name of Eden Gardens, where you would have seen a lot of cricket matches. India team playing, even the World Cup was held here, and yeah. So that these are the stands where people sit and watch, and that's the, I think, entry gate,
There's a main entry.
and it's
Yes.
written in big alphabets, the Cricket Association of Bengal. Popular football club from India, it's Mohun Bagan Athletic Club. So Kolkata is very popular for football, and it can't get better than this. I feel blessed to have come and watch the Mohun Bagan entry gate. It's written Chungi Goswami Gate.
Chunni Goswami was a famous Indian player
Okay.
who played for India. From Eden Garden now we are heading to Writers Building, the famous Writers Building of Calcutta, where all the secretariats used to be there earlier. You
Wow.
can see the heritage building made by the Britishers.
What a view.
On your right is the Raj Bhavan, where the governor stays.
So these are all, I think, the building from the British time.
Yeah.
Right, that's the popular Howrah Bridge,
We call it Rabindra Setu also.
called Ravindra Setu also, and a big structure. Quality of this bridge, it's like just the iron structure, or there is something else to it?
No, it's a basically cantilever bridge.
Okay.
And on your left you see the river Hooghly, that is Ma Ganga.
Oh wow.
And now you can see this river Hooghly, it
Yeah.
separates Kolkata with Howrah district, right? Now, and you can see there, that is a Howrah station, railway station, Howrah railway station.
On the right?
On the left, on your left.
On the left. Oh wow. What a sight.
Enter the Howrah city.
Okay, and that's the railway station.
Yes.
It's 6:58, and if you ever travel to the Kolkata railway station, you can definitely have a look at the Howrah Bridge. So we can see clearly it's written Howrah, and it's the railway station, the main railway station of Kolkata.
This is not Kolkata, this is Howrah now.
This is
Howrah. Yes, we
Oh.
left Kolkata.
okay.
This is the river which divide between the Kolkata and Howrah.
Oh wow.
Howrah is a new district.
Okay.
Calcutta is another district.
So we have understood the geography as well. The river Hooghly divides Calcutta
With
and
Howrah.
Howrah, and the Howrah is the name of the even the railway station. So guys, we finally managed to get a petrol pump. We were only left with 6 kilometers to go. Traffic is also on its peak, but I must say it's not that bad. It's very well managed, and we are not having any problem till now. What do you think, Gauravji?
Yeah, I think Calcutta Police done a remarkable job
Yeah,
regarding the managing the traffic,
perfect.
because I feel it's better than the other metropolitan cities like Delhi,
Yes,
Bangalore,
yeah.
and during rush hours of Durga Puja. 15 days is a chaos, but still
They manage it.
they've been managed very, very well.
So can I say the police खूब भालो?
एकदम फाटाफाटी वालों. People come here
Yeah.
to Calcutta for work. Now they're going back to Howrah.
Oh.
See, and then from Howrah station there is a local trains.
Okay.
So you can see that mostly the people are going back towards Howrah.
Yeah.
They come here for their work, heading back to their home.
That's I think they get employment because of the Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal, and they travel far off from the places and they go back to Howrah railway station to catch the local trains. So it's not only the city of joy, it's also the city which gives employment.
The park, the hotel
Okay.
in front of you.
And on my left, if you see on top, it's Hotel the Park.
Park, and this is Trinkas,
This
famous Trinkas. Trinkas
It's a
bar.
coffee shop or pub.
Bar. This is the park hotel.
Okay.
You have
Tantra is, I think,
Yeah, it's here
the
only.
techno parties.
yeah. Famous Flurries.
Famous?
Flurries cake shop.
Okay. So that's the bakery by the name of Flurries. And on my left is my favorite coffee, Starbucks.
Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah, Hard Rock Cafe. Everything in one place.
From
And-
Park Street to now we're entering to the Caming Street. Because of Chhat Puja,
Okay.
there's very less traffic today. Hardly can see any taxis. Shopping malls.
That's Tata
West side.
West Side Pantaloons.